solution of dy divided by dx plus py equal to q format, then p is any x values, q also any x format, then solution is y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx into dx plus c is the for solution. Also e power integral p dx is known as integrating factor. So e power integral p dx is what? Integrating factor. It is called integrating factor. Next, second order first degree differential equations. If a into d square y divided by dx square plus b into dy divided by dx plus cy equal to f of x, then y equal to complementary function plus particular integral cf plus pi. Cf means complementary function, pi means a particular integral. Solution of complementary function. Nature of roots. Complementary function. Real and different, then m1 not equal to m2. So two values not equal, then it is a real value. Example, we should take real values are 2, another one value is 3. Two values are not equal but real. It's a different but real values. Then this is a formula a e power m1x. First value we should take m1 plus b e power m2x. Second value is m2. We should take, then we should substitute m1 and m2 value, two different value. Then next, real and equal. Real and equal. m1 equal to m2 equal to 2. Suppose the two values factorize and find out the two values. One value 2, another one value also 2. Both are equal. So real and equal. Then this is a formula complementary function. Ax plus b into e power mx is the formula. Next, complex roots. Alpha plus or minus I beta. Example, 1 plus or minus I root 2. So it's a complex roots. Then alpha is 1, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to root 2. Beta equal to root 2. Then formula is a complementary function is e power alpha x into a into cos beta x plus b into sin beta x, where a and b are constants. A and b are constants. Next, solution of particular integral pi. If f of x is e power ax, it's a real ax, then its format, then pi of d into y equal to e power ax. We should take a pi of d into y. Next, pi of d we should take right hand side. Particular integral equal to 1 divided by pi of d into e power ax. So pi of d not equal to 0. This is a not equal to 0. Then particular integral equal to 1 divided by pi of d into e power ax is the formula. Suppose example we should take a d square plus 5d plus 6 into y equal to e power 2x. Then particular integral equal to 1 divided by pi of d. Pi of d means this is a pi of d square plus 5d plus 6 into e power ax, e power 2x. Here pi of d not equal to 0. This is a not equal to 0. So we should use a particular integral equal to 1 divided by pi of d into e power ax is the formula. If pi of d not equal to 0, when d equal to a, then particular integral equal to x into 1 divided by pi dash of d into e power ax. It's a pi of d, it's a differentiate once again. So pi dash of d into e power ax. What is the d equal to a then? This d value is a then. Next, if pi dash of d not equal to 0, when d equal to a, then particular integral, here pi dash of d also not equal to 0. Pi of d not equal to 0. Another one is a pi dash of d not equal to 0. Then when d equal to a, then particular integral equal to x square into e power ax divided by pi dash of d. That's all. Good morning students. 12th standard business maths, 4th chapter differential equations, exercise number 4.4. Solve the following. The first one, dy divided by dx minus y divided by x equal to x. So we should write a solution given dy divided by dx equal to minus y divided by x equal to x. It is in the linear form. It is in the linear form. Dy divided by dx plus py equal to q form. Here y is here equal, p equal to what is minus 1 by x. P equal to minus 1 by x. Dy divided by dx is the same, plus py, leave it this y, p value is minus 1 by x, q equal to x. Q equal to what is x. This is a linear form. So we should, it is a linear form, then integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx is the formula. So that is equal to e power integral p value is minus 1 by x into dx. So integrating factor equal to e power is minus, we should take out minus integral 1 by x into dx. We know that 1 divided by x dx equal to log x is the formula, log x plus c. Substitute here, integrating factor equal to e power minus log x, no need here c, so e power minus log x. Minus 1 we should take in power e power log x power minus 1. We know that log m log n equal to log m power n. Same like this, minus 1 log x is log x power minus 1. Here e and exponential form and log form is cancelled. X power minus 1. We know that x power minus 1 is 1 by x. This is the integrating factor, 1 by x. The general form solution is y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx into dx is the general formula. So the linear equation then, y is y e power integral p dx, e power integral p dx is that is the integrating factor. Integrating factor is what? E power integral p dx. So 1 by x equal to integral q is x into e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx is what? 1 by x. That means integrating factor into dx. Now x cancel. So y by x equal to e power integral dx. Y by x equal to integral dx is x, integrate then x plus c. That's all the solution. Second sum, dy divided by dx plus y cos x equal to sin x cos x. Given dy divided by dx plus y cos x equal to sin x into cos x. It is in the linear form. It is in the linear form. So dy divided by dx, linear form is what? Dy divided by dx plus py equal to q is the formula. So compare this dy divided by dx. P is what? Y is compare then P is what? Cos x. P equal to cos x. Next Q equal to sin x cos x. Q equal to sin x cos x. Now integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx. E power integral p dx. P value is cos x into dx. Now cos x integrate then sin x. E power sin x. So integrating factor is what? E power sin x. That means e power integral p dx is what? E power sin x. The solution is what is the formula? Y e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx into dx is the formula. So y into e power integral p dx value, that is integrating factor, e power sin x. E power sin x equal to integral q is what? Sin x cos x. Sin x cos x. E power integral p dx is e power sin x into dx. Put t equal to sin x. It's a differentiate, then dt equal to cos x into dx. Cos x into dx. Substitute in the equation. Y e power sin x is what? T. E power t equal to integral sin x is a t, cos x into dx is a dt. So e power sin x is a e power t into dt. Cos x into dx is a dt. E power sin x is e power t. Sin x is a t. So now integrator here, it is the form of t integral uv into dv form. So we should take u is a t. Next dv equal to e power t into dt. dv equal to what is the dv equal to e power t into dt. Now u differentiate, then u dash. T differentiate, then what is the dt? It's a 1 now. Next dv integrate, then v equal to integrate on both sides. V equal to integral e power t into dt is e power t. Again v1 equal to e power t integral differential integrate, then what is there? E power t. Okay, v1. U dash u double dash is what? 0. v2 equal to its integral, then e power t integral, then e power t. So we should use the formula integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus etc. is the formula. We should use this formula here. Y e power t equal to integral u dv form. U is a t, dv is e power t into dt. U dv form. So u equal to t, then what is the formula? uv. U is what? T. V is e power t. So t e power t minus u dash v1. U dash v1. 1 into e power t. 1 into e power t plus u double dash v2. So u double dash is 0 into v2 is e power t. This is a 0, that's all, leave it. Y e power t equal to t e power t minus 1 into e power t is minus e power t into 0 into e power t is 0. Leave it. That is equal to e power t is the common take out. E power t remaining t minus 1 y e power t. We know that t equal to sin x. T equal to sin x, we should substitute y into e power sin x equal to e power t value sin x into t value sin x minus 1 plus c. Here also plus c, here integrate, then after that plus c. That's all. Fourth sum, dy divided by dx plus 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube into y equal to 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x cube. Solution, given dy divided by dx plus 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube into y equal to 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x cube. So it is in the form of, linear form. Therefore linear form is what? Dy divided by dx plus py equal to q. Compare this both equation. Dy divided by dx, p is what? 3x square, p equal to 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube, q equal to 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x cube. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx is the formula. E power integral p value 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube into dx. So we know the formula integral f dash of x divided by f of x into dx equal to log f of x plus c. 1 plus x cube differentiate, then 1 differentiate then 0, x cube differentiate then 3x square. So f dash of x differentiate then f dash of x. So it's a formula substitute, then log f of x is what? 1 plus x cube. 1 plus x cube e power integrate, then log 1 plus x cube. Its exponential form and log form is cancelled. 1 plus x cube. This is the integrating factor, IF, integrating factor. Next, the solution is y e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx into dx. This is the formula. Y into e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx is what? 1 plus x cube, integrating factor. 1 plus x cube equal to integral q is 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x cube into e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx integrating factor is what? 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x cube into dx. 1 plus x cube cancel. So y into 1 plus x cube equal to integral 1 plus x square into dx. Y into 1 plus x cube equal to integral 1 plus x square, integrate then 1 integrate then 1 integral dx is what? X. X square integrate then x cube divided by 3 plus constant is c. That's all the equation. Fifth sum, dy divided by dx plus y by x equal to x e power x. So given dy divided by dx plus y by x equal to x e power x. It is in linear form. dy divided by dx plus py equal to q. Compare this both equation. P equal to what is the 1 by x. P equal to 1 by x. Q equal to x e power x. X e power x. Integrating factor if equal to e power integral p dx. You should find out e power integral p dx value. E power integral p value is 1 by x into dx equal to integrate then 1 by x integrate then log x e power log x equal to e power exponential form and log is cancelled. Integrating factor if equal to x. Integrating factor if equal to x. The solution is y e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx into dx is the formula. Y into e power integral p dx is x. Y into x equal to integral q value is x e power x. Q is x e power x. E power integral p dx value is x into dx. Yx equal to integral x into x is x square e power x into dx. Now UV model, put u equal to x square dv equal to e power x into dx. Integrate then v1 is equal to v equal to integral dv is integrate then what is v equal to e power x dx. Integrate then e power x. Next u dash equal to x square differentiate then 2x. U double dash 2x differentiate then 2. U triple dash 2 is a constant differentiate then 0. Up to v3 we should find out. v1 again differentiate integrate then what is the e power x. v2 integrate then e power x. v3 also integrate then what is here e power x integrate then e power x. We know that the formula integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. We should substitute this formula here. Yx equal to integral value is integral x square e power x into dx is u dv formula. U is x square, dv is e power x into dx. Substitute this formula uv. uv is u is x square, v is e power x. X square e power x minus u dash v1. U dash is 2x. v1 is e power x plus u double dash is 2. v2 is e power x minus u triple dash is what 0. v3 is e power x plus constant is c. Yx equal to x square into e power x is x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 into e power x plus 0 into anything is what 0 plus c. So we should take yx equal to here which is the common these three terms x is e power x is the common, remaining what is the x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. This is the equation number, that's all the equation. Seventh sum, if dy divided by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x, and if y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3, x plus y in terms of x given dy divided by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x. It's a linear form. It is in linear form. dy divided by dx plus py equal to q. P is a compare this, p is a 2 tan x, q equal to sin x. Now we should integrating factor we should find out. E power integral 2 tan x integral p dx is the formula. That is equal to e power integral p value is 2 tan x into dx. 2 is the constant, take out e power 2 into integral tan x into dx. Now integrate, then integrating factor e power 2 into integral tan x dx is log secant x. Formula is integral tan x dx is log secant x. That is equal to e power m log n equal to log n power m is the formula. We should take 2 is in the power log secant x secant square x. So exponential form and log form is cancelled. So secant square x, it is a integrating factor e power integral p dx value. The solution is y e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx into dx is the formula. We should substitute y into e power integral p dx value is what secant square x equal to integral q value sin x, q is sin x into e power integral p dx value secant square x into dx, y into secant square x equal to integral sin x into secant square x. We should write cos square x, 1 by cos square x into dx. We know that secant square x equal to 1 by cos square x. That is equal to integral sin x divided by cos x. 1 cos square x we should write cos x into 1 by cos x. So cos x into cos x is cos square x into dx. Now y secant square x equal to integral sin x divided by cos x is tan x into 1 by cos x is secant x into dx. Y secant square x equal to secant x tan x. Secant x tan x into dx. Y secant square x equal to secant x tan x is secant x, integrate then, plus c. Here also given y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. Y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. We should substitute this value here. Y is 0. This is the equation number 1 we should take. Y is what? 0. 0 into secant square. X is pi by 3 equal to secant x value is pi by 3. Secant pi by 3 plus c. So 0 into anything is what? 0 equal to secant pi by 3 value is 2. So substitute here 2 plus c. So 2 we should take left, minus 2 equal to c. From 1 substitute the c value there. Y secant square x equal to secant x minus 2. That's all. Ninth sum. A bank pays interest by continuous compounding, that is by treating the interest rate as the instantaneous rate of change of principal. A man invests rupees 1 lakh in the bank deposit, which occurs interest 8% per year compounded continuously. How much will he get after 10 years? Let P of t denotes the amount of money in the account at time t. Time we should take a t. Then the differential equation covering the growth of money is dp divided by dt equal to 8%. So 8% is a 8p divided by 100. 8% per year is given. dp divided by dt is equal to 8p divided by 100. It's a p one side or dt one side we should take it up. dp divided by p we should take left up. P equal to 8 divided by 100 is we should write 0.08, divide that. 0.08 into dt. Now integrate on both sides. Integral dp divided by p equal to 0.08 integral dt. Constant, so we should take out. So integrate then log p equal to 0.08 integral dt is t. Integrate then. So we should take exponential form on both sides. Then e power log p, here integrate then plus c. Constant is what? C. Log p equal to e power 0.08 t plus c. So exponential form and log this cancel. P equal to e power 0.08 t, 0.08 t into e power c. We should write it's a power is in the multiple, then you should add the powers. P equal to, we should write e power 0.08 t into e power c is c1 we should take. C1, e power c is e power c equal to c1. Constant we should take c1. So this is the equation number 1. When t equal to 0, then Principal P equal to 1 lakh. Starting stage 1 lakh invested, so 1 lakh. So we should substitute 1 lakh here from 1. So 1 lakh P equal to e power 0.08 t. T is 0. 0 substitute 0 into C1. So it's 1 lakh equal to e power 0 into anything is what? 0. E power 0 into C1. So e power 0 is what is 1. Substitute here 1 lakh equal to e power 0 is 1 into C1. So 1 lakh equal to C1. From 1 we should substitute this value in 1. P equal to e power 0.08 t into C1 value 1 lakh. So P equal to 1 lakh into e power 0.08 t. Here asked in the question, after 10 years what is the value? We should find out. So substitute when t equal to 10, after 10 years, when t equal to 10, substitute here P equal to 1 lakh into e power 0.08 into t value is 10. Amount P equal to 1 lakh e power 0.08 into 10 is 0.8. We know that the value e power 0.8 is 2.2255. We should have substituted this value here. P equal to 1 lakh into e power 0.8 value is 2.2255. It's a multiple then. So 4 digits after the pointer, 4 digits, 40 cancel. So what is here? 2,22,550 is the value. That's all after 10 years. Exercise 4.5. Solve the following differential equations. First sum, d square y divided by dx square minus 6 into dy divided by dx plus 8y equal to 0. Solution, given d square y divided by dx square minus 6 into dy divided by dx plus 8y equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is what is the d square y divided by dx square is m square minus 6 into dy divided by dx is 6m plus 8 equal to 0. We should factorize 8 to factorize, then add, then minus 6 multiple, then 8. 2 4s are 8, minus 2 minus 4, multiple then plus 8, add then minus 6. So m minus 2 into m plus 4, m minus 4 equal to 0. So m value is m minus 2 equal to 0, or m minus 4 equal to 0. So m equal to 2 or m equal to 4. Complementary function CF equal to, CF means complementary function, CF equal to, formula is a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So m1 is what, 2 we should take, and m2 is 4 we should take. So substitute here a e power m1x, that is 2x, plus b e power m2x, m is what, 4, so 4x. This is a complementary function. The general solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So here particular integral is not possible, equal to 0 is given. So complementary function only the general solution. So y equal to, complementary function is a e power 2x plus b e power 4x plus particular integral pi, that is 0. So right side is 0, so particular integral is 0. So therefore y equal to a e power 2x plus b e power 4x. That's all. Second sum, d square y divided by dx square minus 4 into dy divided by dx plus 4y equal to 0. Solution, given d square y divided by dx square minus 4 into dy divided by dx plus 4y equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is d square y divided by dx square is m square minus 4 into dy divided by dx is m plus 4y is 4, we should write 4 equal to 0. Now factorize 4, factorize then multiple then 2, add then minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, add then minus 4. So what is m minus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So m minus 2 equal to 0, separate we should write m minus 2 equal to 0. M equal to 2 or m equal to 2. So both are same value. Two values are same, then the roots are real and equal. Therefore complementary function CF equal to ax plus b into e power mx, e power mx. M is the same value, m equal to 2 real. The substitute complementary function is equal to ax plus b into e power m value is 2x. So this is a complementary function. The general solution is y equal to, here right side 0, then particular integral is not 0. So complementary function only the general solution. So y equal to ax plus b into e power 2x. That's all. d square plus 2d plus 3 into y equal to 0. Given d square plus 2d plus 3 into y equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is m square, d square is m square plus m is d is m 2m plus 3 equal to 0. Now factorize then 1 3s are 3. So 3 minus 1 then 2, but minus 1 then it's not possible. So 3 minus 1 plus 2 is not possible. Here multiple then minus 3. So it's not possible to factorize direct factorize. We should take this a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3, constant 3 we should take m equal to, we know that the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula, quadratic formula. So we should use this formula. A is what? 1, b is 2, c equal to 3. Substitute this value here, m equal to minus b minus 2 plus or minus root of b square 2 square minus 4ac, 4 into a is 1, c is 3 divided by 2a, 2 into a value 1. So we should substitute multiple this m equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square is 4 minus 4 3 is 12 divided by 2 into 1 is 2 equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 12 is minus 8 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus or minus root of minus 1 is I, we should take out I root of 8 divided by 2. So that is equal to minus 2 plus or minus I into root of 4 2s are 8 divided by 2. Take the square root, minus 2 plus or minus I into, take the square root, 4 is the square root of 4 is 2 root 2 divided by 2. Now 2 is the common, take out 2 into minus 1 plus or minus I root 2 divided by 2. 2 to cancel. So m equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 2. Here alpha equal to real value, alpha equal to minus 1, beta equal to imaginary value is a root of 2. So complementary function CF equal to e power alpha x into a cos beta x plus b sin beta x is the formula. We should substitute this value e power alpha x. Alpha is minus 1. So e power minus 1 into x into a cos beta x. Beta is what? Root 2. A cos root 2x plus b sin beta is what? Root 2 root 2x. B sin root 2x. So that is equal to e power minus 1 into x is minus x into a cos root 2x plus b sin root 2x. This is a complementary function. Next, the general solution is is y equal to right side 0, so particular interval is 0, so complementary function only the general solution, so complementary function is what, e power minus x into a cos root 2x plus b sin root 2x, that's all.